Y'all, I I didn't vlog the whole game. I think I've been too stressed, and my heart has been racing so much. But can I get a hell yes? And let's go Blues! On to the next round. On to the next round. Attaboy Maroon. Hell of a game, Blues. Let's keep it going. Well, it is morning time. The family is up. Nicole is working. Eli is out there doing something. I just woke up this guy. And the dogs want to eat. It's another game day, boys. Game 1, round 3. We are playing the Sharks. And I think we'll be alright. Yeah. Anyway, we really don't have anything planned today, but maybe running a couple errands, so take you guys around with us, and we are going to sit back, relax. Sit back, relax, and stress out about the game. Let's do this. Here, this is your brother. Let's figure out what we're gonna make for breakfast. Can you hold this? Hit yourself in the head. Can you hold that? Yeah, I think it's a piece of junk. See what your brother's doing? You see what your brother's doing? Huh? Yeah, say, hi, Eli. I got the boys downstairs. Me and Orlando play some hockey. Eli's down here playing some old box. And, yeah, you want to play some hockey? Play some hockey. Here's your stick. Here. There you go. Here, balls are over there. Hockey balls are over there. So we're down here in the basement. Eli's over here playing some, I don't know. What are you playing, Fortnite? You playing Fortnite? What are you playing? Playing Fortnite with his cousin. And me and Landon are here. I don't know what Landon's doing. Landon's roaming through the basement. Playing with lacrosse sticks, baseball bats, hockey sticks, you name it. So, I'm going to pick out a stick here. I'm going to pick out a stick here. And which one should I get? What do I feel like using? Let's go with the Warrior. No, let's go with the Sherwood today. With the Warrior. Let's go with the Warrior. It's my favorite stick. It's got a, it's had a bird curve on it. So, nah, we'll just, fix this and all right, okay. What? You ready to go play? Let's go play. Let's go. That's right. Hunting's number one, always. Is that good? Yeah. Someone's eating some chicken and some peaches. And me and Eli got a pizza in the oven. We got old Chief and Remy begging right here. Calmly, but begging. So we don't have much going on today, like I said. I really just want to start trying to make these daily videos. I know it's been 4 days since the last one, but like I stated previously, it's kind of hard. I'm trying to figure out the rhythm and the mesh. I think the one thing that keeps me at peace, oh, pizza's ready. The one thing that keeps me at peace the most is just going out in the woods. I enjoy hunting, I enjoy nature, I enjoy the reason for hunting and the reason that we gather. I enjoy being there with my father. When my brother was around before he passed away, spending time with him there. I got to really know myself and find myself out in the woods. Just there's something about being out there. So this year, now that I've started all this kinda, when our third boy is gonna be born in July, I'm hoping that I get to, I'm hoping that shortly after that, or sometime, I will get to be out in the woods a little more, that our schedule won't be so demanding. So hopefully we can work around that. In the meantime, we're gonna eat some pizza. That's some good stuff right there. Good stuff. As you guys can see, my parents' flowers came in for my wife in the mail. Tomorrow's Mother's Day. She's at work today. She goes to work tomorrow morning. So I'm going to enjoy this cup of coffee really quick, and then me and the boys are gonna head out and pick up the flowers that we got for her, and the flowers that my son needs to get picked up for his mother. So yes, we are going to do all of that and hopefully get back, which we should, no time at all, in order to enjoy the rest of this Cardinals game, and which is just starting because of a rain delay, and then watch the Blues game. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh. So I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this cup of coffee. Try and enjoy this cup of coffee. I'm trying to figure out how to get a vlog going. I'm trying to figure out how to make this a daily thing with my work schedule, with the morning time, mainly watching the kids because my wife's a nurse and she's working in the mornings through the afternoon, and then me going into work midday. Coming home, I'm at work all night long. It's kind of rough and tough. Not only do I not feel like I have content, do I not feel like I'm doing enough to actually produce anything, I also just feel like there's not enough hours in the day. Now, I'm a person that doesn't sleep much. I don't get a lot of sleep, in which I function pretty well without that. But at the same time, I also wish I had more time, or I need to figure out how to make time to go out and do the things I want to do. There's a lot of shoots and a lot of areas I want to go walk through and tour. There's a lot of old buildings and old bridges that I want to go take photos of, that I want to take you guys on and make videos out of them. I would also like to be able to just wake up every single day and make a 5-10 minute vlog throughout the day, etc. Kind of how my stuff's going. So now that the weather's getting nicer, I feel like there's a better opportunity to do that. But I still feel like it's a little hard, and I give props to the people that do it and have done it. but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try to figure it out. I'm gonna figure it out, and we're gonna make this work one way or the other. Yeah, so we're gonna go get some flowers for my wife and some stuff for Mother's Day, which I'm going to be editing this video either tonight or tomorrow morning and posting it up tomorrow on Mother's Day or on Monday, whatever happens. So we're gonna get her some flowers. I've got a gift in mind from the kids and the dogs, and then as well as my son's mother, make sure we get him something too, so for her. That being said, let's get this going. That didn't work out. I also wanted to take a moment in the middle of this video, if you guys have made it this far, with my small amount of subscribers that I do have on this channel. I just wanted to thank all you guys for watching. It's not the most exciting channel, just kind of a daily dose or monthly dose or here and there dose of things going on in my life and my family's life. So I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you. I hope that one day this can be something bigger. I hope that I have more time and that I am able to do other things. So just stick with us, and hopefully we can make this something. So if you know somebody that's into stuff like this, if you are that type of person, make sure you hit subscribe, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, make sure you leave me a comment so you guys can discuss what's going on in these videos, I can talk back to you guys. Go check out my Instagram at Mistersllim, Mistersllim. It's my last name reversed. Anyway, and then my Facebook page, my photography page at Lucas A. Mills Photography. So go check that stuff out. We are headed to the store to get some flowers for the El Capitan of the family. Is that not right, Eli?
That is right.
You say yes, Landon? Say, oh yeah! Landon just got his car seat turned around, so he is super happy in the van and in the Explorer. A little more excitement. Can I get a let's go, Blues? What are you guys doing? What are you doing? Yeah? Anyway, we are, look at that, what you doing? Yeah, flowers. You gonna make some dinner? Day in the life of the Mills boys. Making some toasted raviolis for the boys. The game is getting ready to start. I am nervous. The wife is calling. I love you, Bob. Bye. Alright, that was my Bob. He said he's going to try to stay up and watch the game, but you know, he's got to rest. So we're going to make some toasted raviolis here for the boys. Getting ready to throw them in the oven. I'd prefer to fry them, but we're lacking on time right now with the game getting ready to start. Oh, man, you are just all about it. Kyle H., this goes to you. Toasted raviolis are the best thing ever, period. So get your mind right, bro. Came down to the basement really quick just to take a breather. Boys, let's do this right now. Let's do this. I mean, now is the time for us to do this. It is the time. Let's go, boys. Well, boys, it is not the game we were looking for today. Not the game at all. The refs I have no respect for in this whole entire playoffs, all teams combined, and this whole entire season, let alone NHL. You need to get your stuff together, really, honestly. But it's no excuse. I'm not making excuses. It was a bad game by us. We need to go to the locker room and regroup for Monday. Oh, anyway, I am a little out of it when it comes to the game tonight. Just talking to friends about stuff. This week's gonna be a trying week on me. I think I've been relying on the Blues' success to get me through what this week is. My brother's birthday, so for the loss tonight, I'm just taking it a little harder than I think I should. I definitely know that I should. So, but there's friends out there, you know who you are, that keep me straight and got my back, my mental game, and I appreciate you. Much love to all of you. Good night, y'all. Day after pretty horrid loss by the Blues. It is Mother's Day today. My wife is working. Eli just got picked up by his mom, so he's gonna hang out with her for a little bit. And me and Landon are gonna run some errands. So yeah, see what the day has in store for us. Can I do the box combo? And instead of slaw, can I get an extra thing of garlic toast?
Yes, box no slaw, extra toast. And what's a drink?
Large Dr. Pepper.
Okay.
And then can I do the kids combo?
Drink on that one?
Just a milk if you guys got it.
Alright, box no slaw, toast, large Dr. Pepper, kids combo with the milk. Anything else?
Can I just get an extra side of cane sauce as well?
Yep, anything else?
That's it.
It's $13.70 at the second, at the first window.
Thank you.
Woo.
From Alabama, but check out our road side. He might have the same way, but check out our road side. Y'all niggas ain't no stop.
Man, little man just picked up some Cane's chicken. I don't know what I'm gonna do when the third one comes. I got little man, little man, and I'm gonna have little man. I don't know if I can do that. Anyway, we just got some Cane's chicken. We're gonna head home, put some of these groceries away, and eat us some canes. I don't know if you guys have ever had canes. Look at this guy. What a complete idiot. And then you're gonna stop. What is good there? Surprise, surprise. Me and Landon, as you can see, I got the GoPro on. Me and Landon are gonna go on a walk before Eli gets back from his mom's. Alright, y'all, that is it. See you guys next time. Peace, love, and monkey grease. Out. And remember, go Blues.